What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the live video. It's been a minute since we've done this, and I'm happy to be here with you guys today doing a little timestamp. It is December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas, and I'm on the way to our office to get some work done and also drop off the gift for Tammy, which is my account manager. So just trying to get some things done. I actually have a really busy day today and just knock out some things, and it's really funny because it's so close to Christmas, but it's been such a busy month and I'm really grateful for that. So I have to work, and I'm probably gonna leave early, maybe around 1 or 2 today, and hit the gym. And then one of my really good friends and also clients closed on her home that I insured, so I'm dropping off this gift. I don't know if you can see that. Dropping off this gift, and I'm having dinner at her house. So I'm excited about that as well. But it's a good day. 'Tis the season to be jolly. So now I am driving to the office. I have to stop by the bank and get some cash out because I'm giving her some money for Christmas and a car and all that good stuff. So I have to make a few stops. And then I have to get some coffee or maybe like some lemonade or something, and like some breakfast so I can have some fuel to start the day. And then after work, we hitting the gym, baby. We still in the gym, baby. So we getting all this done. So I'll take you guys along the ride. This is Tammy's last day before the new year. So she's off for the rest of the year. I'll be working here and there, but I'll probably be off tomorrow, Christmas Eve. If I do any work, it'll be like from the bed and just answering any client questions or anything like that. But hopefully everyone is with family and not worried about their insurance tomorrow. Just leaving the bank, got the money out. I'm now going to get some coffee, really some breakfast, but the coffee here, let me tell you something. At this one coffee shop, it's so good, but it's so expensive. Last time when I got my coffee and bought her coffee, Tammy's coffee, and then I got some egg bites, it was $17. I don't care how much money I make in life, that is insane. And this inflation stuff has got to calm down. But I also need to find somebody to shape up my beard today because I'm looking a little crazy. I had a different barber shape it up, and like it's breaking me out right here. It's not good at all. But I'm gonna give this coffee shop a chance again because I'm really craving it, and Starbucks I don't think is near here. So yeah, I'm excited.
You were choosing scooters. Can you start off with a warm cinnamon roll today?
Oh, no thank you, I appreciate it. It's a iced caramel latte.
All right, what size is that?
Ooh, I don't see the sizes on here. That'll be all.
All right, you can scoot on around.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. One thing about these egg bites, 10 out of 10. Ugh. Thank you so much. Have a good one, you too. My jacket is like restricting me. It's like a long trench coat, and it's like I'm sitting on it, so I can't even stretch. On to the office we go. What time is it? 9:25. She gets there at 10. So it's giving me time to fill out the card and get everything on and popping. Look at that. Caramel latte. I gotta take a sip before. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, but one, that's really good. But two, I love espresso martinis. If you know, you know. And I got my teeth whitened recently, and she was like, the first few days I can't really drink coffee or dark drinks because it'll mess up the whitening. But honestly, ever since then, I haven't really, like if I drink coffee, I'll put the straw like behind my teeth and drink because I ain't got time to be staining my teeth. But before I dig in, I want to write in the card and put the money in there.
Hello.
Hey, it's Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Was just following up to see were you able to find your previous insurance? Or, excuse me, I'm sorry, prior license.
No, I couldn't find it.
Yeah, okay. I just wanted to follow up. So did you still want to move forward with that quote, or just wanted to see where you were at so we could update our system on our end?
Well, I need to get it in order for me to be able to go and take the test for my license.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and
so,
oh, go ahead.
No,
go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, what were you about to say?
I was gonna say, when are you going to take the exam?
Well, I wanted to do it next year, but it's all booked in, so I really wanted to do like a walk-in.
I got you.
If possible.
Yeah. I would say definitely, just from my experience, if you go like first thing in the morning, but like let's say they open at 8, you really need to be there at like 7:30. It's crazy, but I don't know. People are really standing outside the line every day. So I would say definitely try to get there as early as possible if your schedule allows you to. You said you had a license in what state?
It was Tacoma, Washington.
Washington. And when did you surrender that license? So that was a prospect. She's getting auto insurance with us, but she can't find her previous license, and that would have given her a bigger discount. But she just told us like, hey, I haven't had a license for like 4 years. So I'm gonna call the insurance company to see if they're able to accept that. Just because I'm a big advocate on like, no matter how much commission I would get, I never wanna, charge someone more than what we have to. I wanna save her as much money as possible. And of course, as you heard, she was like, if I have to, I'll pay it. But I don't want that to be her final option. So I'm gonna call to see if there's something they can do. If not, I'm gonna just shoot her a text and say, hey, they can't do it. Do you want to go ahead and move forward today? So, Tammy, her gift. You look so nice. It's like you knew I was recording today.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you look so. And I got on all this, and you looking all nice.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah, I wanted to give you something for Christmas.
Oh my goodness, Mr. Jones, you didn't have to do that.
I know. I did, but I did.
Sweet.
Yes, you've been such a pleasure. So
oh, thank you.
you're welcome.
I
You're
made you cry
welcome.
this morning.
No, definitely not
You didn't
that.
wait to open it?
It's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
Now.
You can do it now if you want to.
Okay.
You want to do it on camera
Oh, you can do it on camera.
on Kenny J TV.
Thank you. The only thing more exciting than opening your presents. Oh, can't tell that business. Picking it out yourself.
What's the name again?
Kay or Kay?
Is she's out there?
Yeah, we
Oh
want.
my.
Are you
Well,
going to Is she with
She
us?
said, if you met with her,
All right. So the other lady that, when the lady came in earlier and was like, "Hey, someone's here to see you," that was actually the other lady we hired. I'm not sure why she came here. I'm not sure at all, honestly. So she was able to meet Tammy, and they were able to introduce, each other, or introduce themselves to each other. But I am getting to work. I have a lot of service work today. I have a few sales items to do, but more so service. It's 2 days before Christmas, and just making sure everything is everything. So I'm notating the young lady I just spoke to on the phone and asking, or just following up with her next week so we can go ahead and close this deal. Live update. She found the license. Let's go. So now I'm about to call the carrier back and see if we can go ahead and update this so she can get the updated quote. I can give you my agent number, or I'm calling from Remedy Insurance and Wealth Builders.
Okay, give me one moment to get that pulled up.
Thank you.
Have a good day and thanks for calling.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
She found it. Let me close this door. She found the license. We submitted it. Her premium went for 12 months because it's a name non-owner, so she doesn't have a car, but she needs to get her license. It went from $2,600 for 12 months to $989. This is why I advocate for my clients, because you're not gonna overpay just because. No, absolutely. And I don't try to rush the sale and say, oh, we need to get it today. No, let's.
Hello?
Hey, it's Kenny again. How are you?
Hey. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing well. So the payments, so they accepted it and changed everything back. So the payments went from like $226. You're looking at $85 a month now.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
That's why I was like, we need to get that license. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I could do that. So
Okay.
when would I need to make that payment?
We already got a deal set up for next week. And the thing is with that one, the commission schedule is already cut off for this month. So it's like, this is gonna go towards next month, whether it was today or next week. So baby, we can do next week. That's not a problem at all. Follow up, and it's a call to bind. Low key, can I be honest with y'all? I enjoy doing service work when it's like chill. Like when it's not much going on, I enjoy it. Because it's like, I don't know, it's kind of like therapeutic. You get to talk to clients, you get to follow up with them, have a good time, all the things. So, all right, so the next deal I'm working on is a workers' comp situation. And he was ready to pay, but with him, the payment is financed. And when I went to submit the payment, he already sent me all his payment information. But when I went to go submit the payment information, it's asking for the full payment, even though it should be asking for the down payment. I've only done one other workers' comp policy that
Thank you for calling the North Carolina Rate Bureau,
that it was
the North
financed.
Carolina Reinsurance
So I'm trying to
Facility,
see how
and
do
the
we
North Carolina
adjust this.
Insurance Guarantee.
Didn't answer, so I'm gonna notate that, and I'm gonna let Tammy know I left a message, so just in case they call, she knows to transfer them to me or keep them on hold until I'm available or what have you. And I'm gonna call the client too, because my biggest thing is communication. Always gonna communicate with the client. I don't want him thinking like, oh, what's going on? But he's a long-time client. It's Kenny, how you doing today?
Hey, good morning, doing good.
Good. So I wanted to give you an update. So I'm still waiting to hear back from the workers' comp company. You know, it's Christmas week, so people are
Right,
moving
yeah,
slow.
exactly.
But I did leave a voicemail because the payment has to be made by the 26th. But it's asking for
Okay.
a full amount, but they know it's financed because they processed all the paperwork. So I'm waiting to
Okay.
hear back. I think they're in the office today. I left a message, but I wanted to give you an update. And then, you know, worst case scenario, if I don't hear from them after Christmas, we'll just have to have it amended or something, because obviously I've called them, send them an email. But as soon as I hear something
Right.
back and they're able to adjust that, I'll let you know. I just didn't want you making that full payment after we had it financed.
Right, for sure. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, so the next thing I'm working on is I'm quoting a camper. So he actually reached out to me via email. He said, hey, I'm not happy with my agent. I found you online and I've quoted his auto insurance and homeowners. I just didn't do the camper yet because it was a busy Friday. So I'm gonna work on that now, meet with the underwriters because I have a few questions regarding the camper and get it all done and send that over to him and give him a call. Just because I want to make sure everything looks right, and hopefully we can close this deal. If not today, then later this week or early next week. Even though I'm not really working like on Christmas, the day after Christmas, I'll probably get back to work just because there are a few deals that I need to finalize before the end of the year. If you're not using AI in your business, you're playing yourself. I'm so glad I like pushed myself to work today because, and that's the thing about entrepreneurship, a lot of times it's like, oh, I don't have to work. If I don't want to, I don't have to. But I'm so glad I did because I had a lot to do. Now what I'm doing is uploading proof of eligible risk for a client. Basically, he just moved to North Carolina, and sometimes auto insurance companies need proof to show, hey, he really lives here and he's just not trying to get cheaper insurance in another state. So they sent their registration. I'm pretty sure that'll work. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this over to, I'm gonna upload it and then call them. Any other questions?
No, that was it. So make sure we got that understood.
Yeah.
We have that, and I'll just create these tasks for myself
Yes.
when I check in the morning.
Mhm.
Yeah, wonderful.
Perfect. I'm gonna end the vlog right here actually. Guys, it's been another day in the life video. This is our last one of 2024.
It is
How do you feel?
amazing.
Yes. You've done an amazing job. I'm actually going to interview her soon for the channel so we can get a little bit more insight of day to day and what that looks like. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.